Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Telegram without phone number. If you're using Telegram and you want to create a new Telegram account without using your phone numbers, let's see how can you do that. You just need a temporary phone number or a virtual phone number. So not true that you have different options. You can install any app or you can use any web. So yeah, let's say I'm going to select open any browser here. Just look for a website which is onlinesim.io. Just search for this website here. So from here you can get virtual phone number in free or in paid version. So let's say I'm gonna open the website. So in this website you have different options. The very first, you can get access or to get paid version, but you can also use it for free. And let's say I'm gonna select this, try it for free. Now just select any country from here for which country you want to get the number. So for example, I'm going to select this one here. Once you have selected, you'll get different phone numbers, or you'll select it here. As you can see, I found this phone number here. Just copy this phone number and go to Telegram app. And here you just have to try to paste your phone number. And once you have pasted, just tap on this continue option. And here, if you're finding this issue, you just have to go back and open your website again. Now simply tap on this back option here, and you'll get different phone numbers here. Or you can also select any other country from here to get a different number to use that. Or if you can't find any free numbers, you can also get access or to get a paid new virtual number. So you can easily use this to get the OTP for your Telegram. And once you get the OTP, your account will be easily created on Telegram. So in this way, you can easily use Telegram without any phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.